You cannot do the same thing and expect different results. If you have been trading using a strategy, maybe you are trading the leave digits or then even, and you are failing and you are losing money, what makes you think if you continue trading the same, you'll make money? Away with that, let me show you how I use the BSD spike detector to make sure I get something each single day. I am in World Trade Broker, where we have pain and gain markets. Once you see a red line, like a red arrow like this, it signifies that a spike will happen down. And that is our first rule, which is no confirmation, no entry. Upon seeing this, check the alert box. What does it say? Sell pain 800 with a stop loss of 15. Pain 800 with a stop loss of 14 candles, and the probability is medium. So this is the alert box to confirm the signal. But before you enter your trade, the sell or the buy trade, you go to our second rule, which is you put the chart in either 30 or 4-hour time frame and check blue and red zones. How close is it to the red zone for pain or crash market? For this one, it's relatively close. So it is a good signal, but not very close. Keep that in mind. Stop loss, 14 candles. So we go to the next rule. The next rule is checking a fair value gap. Is there a fair value gap between the current price and the red zone? And we can see there is no fair value gap. If there is a fair value gap, do not take the signal. And that gets us into our fourth rule, which is checking the probability. And we can see clearly from the notification, the probability is M, medium probability. Medium probability. So again, that affects, if you come to and get the BSD software, you understand how that affects high probability, medium, and low from the probability table. And lastly, apply risk management. Enter your trade. And wait, this is a good signal. Medium probability, there is no, and you just now have to wait. Let's see how many candles it takes. And exactly 3 minutes later, the spikes happened. And how much have we made from the trade? So let me go to the toolbox and we see how much we have made from this exact signal. You can see that is $35. 3 minutes, you already have your $35. A simple process to follow. And the system is still saying more spikes are coming. So we hold for some few more minutes and just check. It's the same market I was paying 800. The second spike has happened. And now my profit starts at $80. You can check that. Okay, 74. It has reduced a little bit because of the recording of the video. So this is exactly